Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 SL 550. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 4.7 V8 bi-turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has a diamond style grille, 19-inch multi-spoke wheels, black leather interior with a black ash wood trim, SL 550 badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, Distronic Plus with pre-safe braking, Harman Kardon sound system, Mercedes-Benz illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, media display, hard keys for the media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, our button for the retractable roof. This SL has 3,024 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 SL 550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.